Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Lunar Classic update today. And Lunar Classic is really how many times am I going to say disappointing? But today I'm just going to say boring, to be honest, because it's pretty boring. And previously I talked about how there's a lot of money that went into crypto previously, and we saw that there were whales who actually ended up buying Luna Classic at as well. So basically, you do have a push to the upside, a sideways movement, and I think you might just break above and continue to the upside because the 1 hour time frame, it does show that you are making a little bit of a bullish rectangle right now. And let's see if you can break above the bullish rectangle to go up to 9,000 and probably 9,600 one more time from 8,200. Now, if you do break to the downside, come down again and move sideways, this is also okay. You might create this double bottom or maybe even a triple bottom where you have this bottom, second bottom, come down, make another bottom, triple bottom, and then start to go back to the upside. Now, there's something that I do want to say, which is really, really important, and you really have to pay a very, very close attention right now. And that is, number one, you have the weekly time frame. So 3 more days to close the weekly time frame. Now, if you end up closing green like this, we might see next week being green one more time, okay? We might see a green week next week. The second most important thing is the following. On the Discord, I actually told the members on the Discord publicly, not a private thing. Yeah, and speaking of private, we do have 3 more days to close the private, so do make sure you're part of it. Another thing is that June, and you also have July as well, okay? So in June and July, look what happens. When June was red, July was green. June was red, July was green, red, 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 and a green July, okay? So since it's safe to say that since 2013, anytime you had a red month of June, you had a green month of July. So if history repeats, we have a red month, which is now June, and next month, hopefully, which starts in 3 days, we're going to have a green month, right? And I am in a Luna Classic trade. I still have Luna Classic. I actually entered at 10,000. It's at 8,000 at the moment, but it's not that much of a problem. I think going back to 10,000 is always something very, very possible. And as a matter of fact, I do believe we have some liquidity coming up right over here at these price points, right? This is where you probably will be coming back because I do believe you have some liquidity sitting right over here. So I do expect in the next coming days, we at least see Luna Classic trying to make it all the way up here. My favorable scenario still remains that, Luna Classic, we might see 17, 128, whenever we start to get the push back up, break above here, and also try to come back up and meet this technical target. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.